Alright, language explorers, so let's look at this Saturday phrasal verb. So call on. Let's try and get a picture. So call on. Yeah, there we are. Yeah. So when someone helps you in a way. Helps you. Yes. Yeah. I will call on them if I need help. They can call on me when they want. Yeah, whoops, let's change that. Yeah. They can call on me when they want. Uh-huh. I will call on them for help. They can't call on me for it. They can't call on me. I'll be away. They can't call on me. I'll be away. I can't help. I can't help. Yeah. They are going to call on her for assistance. When will they call on her? How are they going to call on me? But how are they going to call on me? They don't know who I am. They don't know don't know my number. How? Yeah. Who can I call on? Who can I ask for help? Well, yeah, very few people. A few people, yeah. Very few people. A few people, very few people. Yeah, how cool is that? So, I called on them yesterday. You know, I tried to ring them. I tried to visit them. Yeah. I tried to get in touch with them, but they were not there. I could not call on them. I could not call on them. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. What happened? She's calling on me, on you. She's calling on you for the first time. Yeah. She is calling on them. Yeah, she wants their help. She is calling on me because I know how it works. See, I know how it works, so that's why she's calling on me. Simple as that. How cool is that? He knew he'd have to call on you eventually. He knew he was going to call on you. Wasn't it obvious that he was going to call on you sometime? Wasn't it obvious? Wasn't it obvious he was going to call on you? I mean, like, who else? Who else could he call on? Who else? Not me. Well, I'm not sure who. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So, call on. Yeah, like with a phone. Call on someone for help. Yeah. Get someone to help you. Yeah. So, can you use call on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian, and on Udemy when you search for my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.